Ever wondered why school never taught us the most crucial lessons about money? Imagine if we'd learned these skills early on. How different would our financial lives be today? In 2023, a national survey revealed that 82% of high school graduates felt unprepared to manage their finances after leaving school. This begs the question, why are essential money lessons still absent from most educational curriculum? In this video, I'll uncover the essential money lessons schools should teach but don't. We'll explore practical strategies to budget effectively, avoid common financial pitfalls, and start building wealth from any income level. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Your wallet isn't safe because the system is built to empty it. Here's the harsh truth. We live in a consumer-first world where everything from your favorite app to your coffee shop loyalty card is built to make you spend mindlessly. Schools never taught us how marketing psychology works, but companies studied it deeply. In his best-selling book, Atomic Habits, James Clear says, "Environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior." Now imagine your financial environment. Sale pop-ups, buy now, pay later schemes, and social media pressure to live your best life. You can make $100K a year and still be broke if you're financially undisciplined. Most end up living paycheck to paycheck, trapped in credit card debt averaging $6,501 per person, without realizing they're being played like a game they never signed up for. So how do you escape the trap? Start with awareness. Ask yourself before every swipe, would I buy this if nobody ever saw it? Build friction. Unsubscribe from marketing emails, delete one-click purchase apps, and review every auto-renew subscription. Second, create a freedom fund, a savings or investment account for your future goals, and treat it like a monthly bill. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how long you can keep it and grow it. Number 2, mental accounting, the hidden budget killer. We weren't taught this in school, but your brain doesn't treat all money equally, even though every dollar is worth the same. Nobel Prize-winning economist Richard Thaler explained this in his behavioral finance research. People irrationally separate money into buckets: fun money, salary, gift money, tax returns, and spend based on emotion, not logic. For example, someone might blow $600 on a weekend trip from a bonus, but hesitate to invest $200 in an S&P 500 ETF. This flawed thinking leads to overspending on free money and neglecting financial goals. Americans, on average, spend nearly $1,500 annually from tax refunds on splurges, rather than paying off their $6,000 plus credit card debt or investing in their future. So how do you fix this? First, treat every dollar as a soldier, whether it came from your salary, side hustle, or grandma's birthday gift. Give it a job. Second, build a zero-based budget system. Every dollar you earn has a purpose. Invest, save, or spend intentionally. Free money is just an illusion. If you don't manage it, it manages you. Your brain is wired to mismanage money, but once you know the trick, you can flip the game. Control the narrative, and you control your wealth. Why do we keep saying, "I'll start budgeting next month," or "I'll invest when I'm ready," but that day never comes? That's the planning fallacy, and it's costing you thousands. Let's resolve this in next point. Number 3, the planning fallacy. People assume setting up a budget, creating a retirement plan, or learning how ETFs work will take hours or days, so they postpone. What they don't realize is, this delay bleeds their wealth. We confuse good intentions with real action. You feel productive thinking about it, but your money isn't growing in your thoughts. It's either working in the market or sitting idle while inflation eats it. To beat this trap, follow the 5-minute rule. If a financial task takes less than 5 minutes, like opening a Roth IRA account or automating $50 into index funds, do it immediately. Break big goals into micro steps. Instead of saying, "I'll start investing," say, "I'll watch one 10-minute video about mutual funds today." Procrastination with money is paid for with lost time and missed opportunities. You don't need more time, you need better urgency. One small financial action today beats 100 perfect plans made for someday. Number 4, the anchoring effect, how initial numbers skew perception. Did you know your brain can get tricked into overpaying just because of the first number you saw? That's not coincidence. It's called the anchoring effect, and it's messing with your money every single day. Imagine you walk into a store and see a luxury jacket priced at $1,200. Then you spot another for $350. Suddenly, $350 feels like a steal. But pause. Did you actually need that jacket? The anchoring effect is a psychological bias where our minds latch onto the first number we see, even if it's irrelevant. From $99 limited offers to fake crossed-out prices, you're being manipulated. People overpay by an average of 20% on big-ticket items due to this bias alone. Anchoring is like falling for the first offer in a negotiation. You feel lucky, but you're actually being played. To beat this trap, ask yourself, would I still make this decision if I hadn't seen that first number? Compare values, not just prices. Your first exposure to a number can cloud every financial decision after it. Don't anchor to the number, anchor to the value. Compare, question, and research before spending. Number 5. The illusion of control in investing. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel says, doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. And one dangerous behavior is the illusion of control, believing that just because you made an investment decision, you're in control of the outcome. You're not. The market doesn't care about your predictions. Yet millions of Americans gamble on meme stocks, chase crypto hype, or day trade without any plan. In fact, the average investor earns just 6.81% per year, while the S&P 500 has averaged around 10%. Why? Because emotions and overconfidence ruin timing. To escape this trap, automate and diversify. Don't try to control the market, control your behavior within it. David from Arizona used to obsess over trading stocks daily, thinking he could beat the market. In 2022, he lost $14,000 trying to outsmart a volatile market. Finally, he shifted to passive investing with index funds like VOO and committed to a monthly SIP. 2 years later, he's back in profit, with consistent growth and peace of mind. The shift wasn't about being smarter. It was about letting go of fake control. Number 6. The hidden costs of convenience. In today's world, convenience is king. Food delivery apps, buy now, pay later buttons, auto-renewing subscriptions, all designed to save time. But here's the bitter truth. Convenience has a hidden price tag, and it's often disguised in small transactions that compound into massive financial leaks. People keep falling for this trap. They order takeout multiple times a week instead of meal prepping or keep unused apps running just in case. It's not just a money issue, it's a mindset issue. The solution? Start doing a monthly convenience audit. Cancel what you don't use, track impulse delivery purchases, and set a weekly cash limit for non-essentials. So next time you hit that Order Now button, pause and ask, is this making my life easier or just my wallet lighter? Number 7. The importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy isn't just about balancing a checkbook or knowing what a credit score is. It's the real language of freedom and opportunity. Financial literacy is the key to changing that story. It's about understanding how to make money work for you, not the other way around. This video has given you the exact lessons schools skipped, so you can start making smarter decisions and reclaim your financial future. Ignoring financial literacy is like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. You might get lucky, but most won't find the exit. I always create valuable videos just for those of you ready to take control of your wealth and live life on your own terms. Support the channel by subscribing, because one click from you fuels countless hours of meaningful content for your growth. Share this video with your loved one who need this. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.